Hello everyone, in our today's video I'm going to show you how you can clone a React website from GitHub. First of all, this is the website which we are going to clone. It's a portfolio website, and to clone that one, first and foremost we need that GitHub repository link. So this is the link, and also it will be available in the description. And to clone that one, what we need to do, the first thing is that we can just click on that code, and there is a two-way we can easily clone that. The first one, we can copy that link and then clone, and also we can do that the download zip. First one we'll implement, we'll just copy that. Then I will take an empty folder. You can take any of the folder you prefer. Here I will open my terminal. You can open any of the things if you have, like if you can see, you can open that git bash or the code, VS Code, whatever you feel suitable. So now I need to write one command, which is that git clone, and then I need to paste that link which I copied from here. That's the link I need to paste there. So already paste. So now I will hit the enter. So now as you see, it's cloning into the dynamic profile, and it just giving the percentage how much it has been cloned and how much is the variation is happening. As you see, cloning is done, and to see if it's really done or not, let's just put ls. Yes, it's already done. And if we just go to our folder here, as you see, this the application is available. Now how you can open that to your VS Code? You can just open from here as open with VS Code, or you can open from the git bash. As my terminal is open, I'll just paste that, just type that code dot, and now it will open into my Visual Studio Code. As you see, I made a mistake with the command because the code dot, because I didn't went into that application, so it just opened in that root link. So I need to go inside that one first. If I can open that one, but it's better to go inside of it than open that one. So I will make the cd dynamic portfolio, and now if I open inside my code editor, code is paste dot. Now as you can see, I'm inside my code. So I'm inside on my project. So from here I will open my terminal. So I will take that git bash, and the first thing I need to do is that run one command, because by default when we are like normally pushing anything to the GitHub, as you see, we can actually having one file which is ignoring all the node modules and other things. So here as you see, there is no node module, so I need to install the node modules, right? To install that one, I need to just simply put that npm install. So now here in that package log.json, if you put the so that yarn.log, you just need to put that yarn and then hit the enter. It will install everything using yarn. So that's the differences when you're using the yarn or npm. And everything is installed. And by the way, if you see, we have a next.config js file, and also if you see in the packages is a next.js application. And to run that one, what you need to put a command which will be npm run deb. So now it will let us to open in that development environment, which will be localhost 3000. So let's go to our localhost 3000, and as we can see if it's running or not. So the first time it will just take a bit of time. You need to have patience, and as you see, everything are compiling properly and our application is running. So now we are fully 100% in a very specific way cloned our application from the GitHub. So this is the one way we can do it. And now there is another way which I have told you before. We can also download the zip file. So let's download the zip file, and it's already downloaded. So I'll close that one here, and I'll close entirely here. So now if I go back to my download folder, it's still downloading. Just give it a second to download. Now as you see, it has been downloaded. So now it's in the zip folder. So what I will do, I will just extract that one here. So I'll put extract all. So now it's extracted. So what I'm gonna do, I will go inside of that folder. Then now I will open this one in my Visual Studio Code. Here is the same application is coming with the same figure as you see. So now here again, the node modules is not available because it already ignored for that GitHub. So the same thing, you need to go with the same procedure. You just need to run with that npm install. So now it will install all the npm dependencies, and as you see, it will just going to install all these dependencies here in the inside our application. And by the way, again, the same application, so we'll run with that similar process. Now it's already installed, so let's put npm run dev to run it's in our local server. So I will just cut that one, and I will open my localhost 3000 again. So everything is working pretty fine, and now we are having this application. So this is the two very specific and simple way to clone an application from GitHub. So now also there is another way with you can go with the SSH key or the GitHub CLI, or also you can open it with the GitHub desktop. But I prefer with that to just simply with that copy that clone link and just clone that one. That's easy and simple. Now why I am just letting you know that one, because in my next video I'm gonna give you this entire portfolio details, that GitHub link and also that drive link, so that you can download that one and just get your application like your portfolio, and you can just make it in as your own way, and then you can preferably work with that, modify it, and just have your an extra portfolio chance to design and make it good as much as possible. So that's it. It's the simple procedure. I wish it can help you to make any clone from the GitHub. We'll see you in next video.